Hi guys, it's the 5th one of 12 days of Yule. I can't believe it, it's just flying by. So tonight's one is about potions. So this is a drink that I do every year. It's really beneficial for your health, especially this time of the year. Good to hand out to everybody as well. So I hope you enjoy making it and drinking it. Begin by cleansing and purifying your space. Set a clear intention in your mind for the healing properties that you want to infuse into the potion. Use the moon water to actually boil and use for the tea. Use your cauldron if you've got a small one, or a small pot, or a cup. It doesn't really matter, just use the things that you have. A teaspoon or handful, or however much you want of each ingredient. I just go by the way I feel as I'm putting it in. So you add each ingredient into the brew. I use orange because it's purifying and it gives vitamin C. I also use mint for freshness and it helps with the digestive support. The ginger for its warming and anti-inflammatory. The honey for sweetness and healing energy. I like to use rosemary because not only is it remembrance, but it remembers what you want it to do, and it tastes lovely. Nutmeg is like associated with the sun, and we're at the time of the year when we're seeing the sun coming back again, so it's very apt. It's also an element of fire and hence gives you energy. It's like a very dark liquid, but it's really got the properties in it. And what I do is I put it when it's concentrate like this, because it's better if it's thick, because it is thick to start with. And so what I do is I then put my hand upon it and I seek the guidance of those that are aiding. And it's just amazing the feeling that you will get as you infuse it, and you just think your intent of healing for those that are coming to drink this, and you just imagine and feel that energy. You see that white light coming in and going through your hand into the liquid, and every time it comes in like a pulse of light, you say out loud, this is healing, this is love, this is joy, this is come from above, this has come from within, this is my gift, and I'm giving it now in to all who partake of it, for all who want. This is a blessing, this is what I want, the intent is here, the love, joy, peace is here. I seek your help, guidance, and everything from the ancestors to the gods. I seek you now and ask you, aid this spell, because that's what it is, guys. It is a spell. Hail to the gods, hail to the old ones, hail to all who aid me in my practice. Help this infiltrate into this liquid and make it magical for this Yule. And there, guys, that's all it really you have to do. Anyway, this has been day 5, and it was about sharing a potion of the hashtag 12 days of Yule. I've really enjoyed making these for you. Thank you for watching them all, guys, and I'll be back again tomorrow with the next one, hopefully, fingers crossed, wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be. I wish you the best ever. House of Alang.